Welcome to this T-Pot setup. We will gonna set up a T-Pot, which stands for Threat Intelligence, is an all-in-one open source multi-honeypot platform. So it's designed to attract and analyze the activities of the attackers. So let's set up. I'm gonna use one of the cloud providers. Shared CPU would be the best option, and the region will be somewhere in Asia, I think so. I'm gonna go with Singapore. And will be a cloud compute. We need 8 gigabyte at least. Configure. And the operator system will be the Ubuntu 24.04. We don't need to set up any firewall group. We will call it but we don't need the automatic backup. Yes. IP version 4. And that's it. 8 gigabyte of memory. Ubuntu this auto backups disabled. Public IP version 4 is enabled. So let's deploy it. So now our machine is running. Let's connect via SSH. We are connected to our Ubuntu machine. Let's update and upgrade. Now the update and the upgrade is finished. Let's create a user. Let's add the user. Let's give the user a sudo privilege. Now we are in our newly added user. So this is the GitHub. So this is our T-Pot directory. This is the file that we wanted to install. So let's install it. Click yes or Y. We want to install T-Pot standard, which is Hive installation. So now let's select Edge. Enter your web username, will be tsuck. Yes. Password will be as you see, after waiting for like 10 minutes, it's now installed and it's asking us to reboot and reconnect via SSH on the TCP port 64295. So let's do it. Sudo reboot. Let's restart our server. As you see, now we have connected to our machine using the new port, which is 64295. So it's active now and it's running. So let us access the web. So now we are in our T-Pot. We have multiple options here, which is the CyberChef, the Elastic, the Kibana, and the Spider Boot, which is an OSNT tool. So let's check the attack map. So for now, there's nothing usually. We have to leave it for like, as you can see, we are receiving from Romania to FTP. So, hello. After leaving it for like 20 minutes, as you can see, we have the IP and the country and the event. So a lot of cyber attacks is coming from Romania and United States, as well as the United Kingdom. I am wondering about China and India. So this is how to set up your honeypot.